Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome you guys, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful video for you today. Now in this video I'm going to be bringing to you some wonderful benefits of bee pollen. You heard me right, I said bee pollen. Now when I was doing my study on superfoods, that's when I bumped into bee pollen. Now I've never heard of anything regarding bee pollen before until that study, and I found out some really wonderful informative information for you guys that I think you will really enjoy and you will love. One thing that I found out in my studying was bee pollen having all of the nutrients that's necessary for our bodies, and how it is fully loaded with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Plus, it also has amino acids and proteins. Now, one thing I found out was that bee pollen contains more protein than meat, and it also has more amino acids than eggs, beef, and cheese. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is bring to you 5 of the top awesome health benefits of bee pollen, and this is going to surprise you. Now, we're going to start off with number 1. Bee pollen increases the libido and fertility. For those of you who did not know this, bee pollen is a powerful aphrodisiac, and it also helps with fertility. So for those of you who are struggling with fertility issues, bee pollen. Now, bee pollen is also beneficial for those of you men who are having prostate problems as well. Plus, it vitalizes the male seminal substances, the male organ. So, bee pollen increases the libido and fertility. Number 2, bee pollen increases your energy, your muscle growth, stamina, and strength. Now, because bee pollen is packed with nutrients and minerals and vitamin B, it's a great natural energy enhancer. And in addition, bee pollen is loaded with proteins and carbohydrates to keep you going strong all day long. It makes a great pick-me-up cup of coffee. Now, one of the studies showed in the British sport, when the athletes use bee pollen as a daily supplement, their strength increased substantially by 40 to 50%. It's also noted that for those adults who normally consumed bee pollen also saw an increase in their height as well. Number 3, bee pollen fights inflammation. Now, bee pollen can be used as a supplement to treat chronic inflammation, liver disease, as well as degenerative conditions. Number 4, bee pollen strengthens the immune system. Now, studies have shown that the consumption of bee pollen led to the increase of the white blood cell production, especially the lymphocytes. Now, bee pollen is also good for intestinal flora, as well as having antibiotic property that can prevent viruses. It is also a great source of antioxidants, which helps to fight free radicals. It can also be used as a natural allergy reliever. It can reduce your histamine reaction. And number 5, it protects and nourishes the skin. Pure bee pollen helps to protect skin and help to create new cells. It is also helpful in fighting off skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Now, bee pollen can also have a soothing, invigorating, and vitalizing effect on your skin, making your skin look and feel younger. And it can also be helpful in treatment of acne. So there you go, you guys. Bee pollen, because you can put this in your smoothies, you can put this in your drinks. It is wonderful. It has wonderful benefits for your body, especially for those of you who are having issues with fertility or libido. So thank you so much for joining me on this video where I'm telling you, bee pollen, I've never heard of it before until the studies, and it has wonderful benefits for you and me, okay? So don't forget, like, comment down below. Give me those thumbs up. It helps my channel when you thumbs up these videos, and it also shows me what you like and what you want to see more of. So if you're interested in finding out more of these wonderful benefits of different things that you never had a clue of, believe you me, I will bring it to you, okay? So don't forget, join me in the next video, and I will see you then.
Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.